In this video, we're excited to share 15 amazing garden hacks that will help you create a thriving garden oasis right in your backyard. Whether you're a seasoned gardener looking to level up your skills or a beginner eager to learn the ropes, these hacks are sure to elevate your gardening game and bring new life to your outdoor space. So grab your gardening gloves and let's dive in. Before we dig in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon for more plant love here on Houseplantslove. Hack number 1, DIY composting. Start your garden journey with prime soil quality, the foundation of every flourishing garden. You can easily create nutrient-rich soil using kitchen scraps. Collect organic waste like fruit peels, vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and eggshells. Combine them with fallen leaves and grass clippings and let nature work its magic. If you don't have a compost bin, simply dig a hole in your garden, fill it with scraps, and cover it with soil. Over time, your garden will thank you. You can also learn about organic fertilizers for houseplants or gardens from our previous video link in I button and end of video. Hack number 2, natural soil amendments. Coffee grounds are a gardener's best friend. They not only improve soil drainage but also provide nitrogen, which helps plants grow strong and healthy. Eggshells, on the other hand, provide calcium and neutralize soil acidity. Simply crush the shells and mix them into your garden soil. If you enjoy the video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Hack number 3, DIY drip irrigation system. Let's talk about watering. You can create a DIY drip irrigation system using old plastic bottles. Fill a bottle with water, drill small holes in the cap, and invert it next to your plant. This ensures a slow, steady supply of water right to the roots. It's eco-friendly, cost-effective, and perfect for busy gardeners. This method can also use when you are on vacation. If you missed our previous video on life-saving plant watering hacks for vacation, be sure to check it out. You can find the link in the I button or at the end of this video. Hack number 4, watering at the right time. Did you know that timing your watering can save water and help your plants thrive? Water your plants early in the morning or late in the evening. This way, less water evaporates and your plants get the hydration they need without wasting water. Hack number 5, mulching for moisture retention. On those hot summer days, mulch can be your best friend. Organic mulches like straw, grass clippings, and wood chips help retain moisture and keep your soil cool. Not only does it protect your garden from heat, but it also improves soil fertility as it breaks down. Hack number 6, natural pest control with garlic and chili spray. Keep your garden free from unwanted pests with a garlic and chili spray. Blend hot chilies, garlic cloves, and water. Let it steep overnight and then spray it on your plants to deter pests like aphids and beetles. Hack number 7, companion planting. Use companion planting to naturally deter pests. For example, planting basil near tomatoes can help repel mosquitoes and flies. Marigolds are great for keeping nematodes away from your veggies. Hack number 8, beer traps for slugs and snails. Slugs and snails love beer. Place a shallow dish of beer at soil level to attract and trap them. It's a simple and effective way to keep your garden pest-free without harming beneficial insects. If you want to know other slug control methods for garden, check out our previous video, link in description and I button. Hack number 9, pruning for healthier plants. Pruning isn't just about trimming, it's about shaping and nurturing your plants. For flowering plants, prune right after they bloom, and for fruit trees, late winter is the best time to remove dead wood and shape the tree. Hack number 10, propagating your favorite plants. Want more of your favorite plants? Try propagation. Take a cutting, dip it in rooting hormone, and place it in moist, well-draining soil. In a few weeks, you'll have a new plant to grow and enjoy. Hack number 11, rejuvenating tired plants. Sometimes plants get tired. If your plant looks weary, try repotting it in a bigger pot with fresh soil. This gives the roots more space to grow. Fertilizing with an all-purpose plant fertilizer will also give it the boost it needs. Hack number 12, multi-purpose gardening tools. Save time and space with multi-purpose shears. These shears aren't just for pruning, they can cut, dig, and even transplant small plants. It's a true time saver. Hack number 13, raised beds for easy access. Make gardening easier by planting in raised beds. Not only do they improve drainage, but they also make it easier to reach your plants and reduce strain on your back. Hack number 14, mulching to reduce weeding. Mulching not only conserves water but also suppresses weed growth. Spread a layer of organic mulch and you'll spend less time pulling weeds while enriching your soil. Hack number 15, time-saving garden layouts. Plan your garden layout wisely. Group plants with similar care needs together and consider planting in containers or raised beds to make maintenance easier. You'll save time and energy. There you have it. 15 garden hacks that will transform your garden into a thriving oasis. From soil improvement to clever watering tricks, pest control and time-saving tips, you're ready to level up your gardening game. Experiment, innovate, and watch your garden thrive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel Houseplantslove for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.